الله أكبر الله أكبر.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Police Major Muhammad Jihadi M. Abdel Ghafoor, Assistant RPO Sage SBAR. Eid al-Fitr, also known as the Festival of Breaking the Fast, is one of the most significant and joyous holidays observed by Muslims worldwide. It marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting, prayer, and reflection. Eid al-Fitr, which follows the conclusion of this month-long fasting, is a celebration of strength and devotion of demonstrating during Ramadan. A core element of Eid al-Fitr is giving charity. Zakat al-Fitr is an act of charity given by Muslims before the Eid prayer. It is intended to ensure that poor and those in need can also participate in the festivities of Eid. Eid al-Fitr is also emphasizes the importance of forgiveness, peace, and unity. Muslims are encouraged to reconcile with others, resolve disputes, and forgive any grudges they may have carried during Ramadan. Eid Mubarak to all Muslim PNP personnel and to all Muslim Ummah.
الله أكبر الله أكبر.